Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. So in the last class we have discussed about the stock media. So now we are going to move to the audio option. If you want to add the audio in your video, you guys can also do that. As you can see here, you will see your favorite audios, and here you will see the downloaded audios, and here you will see the music. If you want to import any your music, you guys can also do that. You have to click on the import, or the shortcut key of import is Control I. You have to press that. And after that you have to go to the gallery section or go to the download section. As you can see, you guys can import these all videos, these all audios as well. So you have to click on this, and I'm going to click on the open, and here are the all audios. So in this way you can add your own audio as well. So after that we have recommended. So if you want to use these audios as well, this icon means you have to download this audio. And as you can see, this is the audio. If you want to use this, you have to drag this here and below the video, and here's the audio. And now we are going to play this.
Moments when the dogs reunited with owners after.
So I'm going to mute the video, and we will listen the audio. So basically this is the computer keyboard sound. If you want the audio music, you guys can also, if you want the music, you guys can also do that. So you have to click on this, or you have to search for the audio. I'm going to the here. And now if you want to see the preview, you guys can also do that. You have to click on this. So these are the previews. I'm going to play this one. So these are the audios. So as you can see, if you want to drag this one, you can also do that. You guys can get audios and sound effects as well from here. If you want such any specific sound effect or audio, you can also search that here. You have to write the name and then press the enter. For example, robot, press the enter. You will get a lot of sound effects and audios related to robot. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the audio option. So see you guys in the next video.